Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial, and in this video this is part 3 of how to make a Brawl Stars game in Scratch. Let's get started. In the other video we may now have a character, but we haven't put the others. We can go back, office, and the game modes, but we have multiplayer and play. And now we started and we have the character. Okay, now let's hide the player one. See the project, and now let's go to the menu. Wait a minute. Sorry guys, that was my dog as always. Okay, now go to the winner status icon and if costume is equal to 8, costume number, sorry, is equal to 8. And please subscribe guys to have more subs. Go to X and Y minus 100 and Y 0. Say the project. Equals. Touch mouse pointer. Look at this, and change size by 150 minus size divided by 5. If mouse is equal to 1, okay, at start sound, menu click 8 and set single player to 1. Okay. And in the else, duplicate, wait. Change size by 140 minus size divided by 5 and here look, put set brightness effect to a multiply, and in the left side an equal, single player equal to 1 multiplied by negative 20. Say the project and if costume number is equal to 9, sorry, go to X and Y 100 and 0, duplicate all this stuff, oh sorry, and default such mouse pointer, and now set, put here the single player and set it to 0. And duplicate this and put it here. And duplicate this and leave it here and put 140. And here put single player equal to 0. Say the project. If or custom number is equal to 10 or 12, or if custom number is equal to 13. Okay? Go to X 210 and Y 125. Equals touching mouse pointer. Okay? Change size by 110 minus size divided by 5. If mouse is equal to is equal to 1, wait, what? No, no. Wait. Okay, let's continue. Set mobile to um to 1 minus mobile as start, menu click 8, the sound, and switch costume to 12 plus mobile. Okay, and save the project. And in the else, wait, duplicate this, and the change size is going to be to 100. Okay, if custom number, wait, put an OR, and if custom number is equal to 14 or 15, okay, save the project. Equals if single player is equal to 1, okay. Oh my god, guys, wait, we have 403 blocks in total. And in, oh wait. Wait. Now we have a normal. And here we have 365. So, now we have it normal. Go to X 210, and Y 85. And in deal, we change the Y by 125. Save the project. And if oh sorry guys, it was an equals. Equals, touch mouse pointer, okay. Change size by duplicating this and change it by 110. And size divided by 5. If mouse is equal to 1, okay, set mute to mute -1, okay, okay. Oh, sorry guys, 1 minus mute. And the other one we put, wait, 1 minus 1, oh, sorry guys. Broadcast update music. Oh, we haven't that message. Okay, new message called update music. Okay, a star sound. Menu clickade. Okay, switch custom to 14 plus mute. Okay, and in deals, change size by duplicate this. Okay, and change size by 100 minus size divided by 5. We have now 388 blocks, and that's it. We finished finally with the menu. Let's see. We haven't the other characters yet, but it doesn't matter. The traffic, the and we have to start, okay. And the game modes. Oh, we have the single player, that we have it, and the multiplayer. Okay. Now let's go to the player one sprite. When green flag clicked, hide. Okay. When I receive play game, show, set, make any variable called x velocity or x bow for this spread only. Okay. I make another variable called y bell for this spread only. Now, Make two new variables called player 1 HP for all sprites and player 2 HP for all sprites, and set all these variables to 0. And oh, sorry guys, these ones are going to be to 1000. Sorry. Okay guys, set size to 65. Go to X and Y. X minus 204 and Y 138. Okay. Now make a new variable called direction. For this a sprite only, and set direction to 90 to the forever loop. Switch costume to hitbox. Set rotation style to don't rotate. Pointing direction 90. Okay. Sorry guys, set project. Put an if else. If single player is equal to 1. Okay. Do another if else. If well guys, we did we finished the manual, so in the part 4 we're going to finish the player, and then we're going to be with the results and the text, and then I don't know. But now, bye bye.